Welcome back. Indeed smells good. So recently I've been going into the Dossier brand of fragrances. I've just stuck my toe in. Lost Americana, Dossier Original, partnered with MGK. Of all people, who would have thought they'd do something like that? I also have another Dossier Original. Oh, they don't show it on this. This is the It Factor. So let's take them one at a time and let's chat. We'll start with here. I have my handy dandy notebook here. So here's, again, a look at the box, which is pretty sweet, actually. Like I said, I'm surprised that they picked MGK to even have a partnership with and do a fragrance with them. But, so we open it up. Has a card inside. It says, with a new smell comes new memories. Create your own nostalgia with Lost Americana. That's pretty smooth right there. I ain't gonna lie to you. Okay, MGK and Dossier. All right, so this was crafted by MGK and Dossier. This fragrance is a co-creation of the musician and creative lab's most evocative notes. Evocative notes? All right, anyway. So, rich, earthy, spicy, and undeniably sexy. The scent is an after-hours cocktail of allure, energy, and powerful chemistry. Okay. Well, they describe it as a scent family of earthy, which I can give it that. I've already, obviously I've worn it already and given a test drive. The top notes are incense, almond, love, pink pepper. Middle notes of nutmeg, myrrh, and cinnamon. Base of velvetier, patchouli, suede, vanilla, and chocolate. What do I think of it? Surprisingly good. Like, this was surprisingly a good, solid fragrance. Like I said, I was thoroughly surprised when I saw it, and it was just like, MGK? Let me smell this. Because, sometimes these artists' colognes aren't up to snuff. Like, I will say Drake's was pretty solid. Carby, not Summertime Mink. I think it was Summertime Mink. Now, the candle smelled fantastic. That Carby Musk smelled really good, but he didn't release that as a fragrance. Why? Don't understand that. I haven't got my nose on Future's scent yet. He has one out there. But anyway, back to Lost Americana. Okay. Metallic cap. Y'all heard that clack. Good spritz. Ooh. That's a real atomizer right there, y'all. When I wore this, this was definitely 8 hours. It lasted all day, the entire workday. I got home and I could still smell it on my t-shirt. I liked it a lot. It's very mass appealing. Fall, winter scent. It's not similar to anything that I can put my nose on right now. Is it blind buy safe? Because that's always the question. Yeah. I'll say it was less than 40 bucks. So I think you cannot lose with this. You got 40 bucks, okay. But you likely gonna like it, I give it a strong 7 for sure. 7.5 maybe. Is the performance, like I said, performance was outstanding. It was very surprising. The smell is surprisingly good. I think it's mass appealing. It's not gonna run people out. You don't want to overspray it because it does pack a bit of a punch. I think it's totally worth giving it a shot. You can go, if you're concerned about what, blind buying it, go to where they sell this at. That store. A little sniff of it. I didn't say buy it from there. I just said go check it out. Y'all heard that clack though. That's a magnetic cap. Go check it out there. Then go online and buy it from, the store, the actual person. But yeah, totally worth it. It's good, very good scent. Surprisingly good, I'll say that. So next up, we have It Factor. Now, It Factor is another Dossier original. The typical insert card. This is part of the Icons collection. Solid packaging. Don't have to do too much. Not even tripping off the box. Their claim to fame is this is a blend of notes that'll have anyone eating out of the palm of your hand. So since that's what they're saying, let's talk notes. Top notes of ginger, cardamom. Middle notes of violet, incense, and silky musk. Base notes of brown sugar, sandalwood, vanilla extract, and tonka bean. Scent family for this is warm and friendly, and it's an inviting scent as they describe it. I can give it that. It's definitely pretty solid. I was surprised, you know, I bought these on a whim, you know, late night TikTok buying, and watched a couple reviews for them, and it's like, all right, well, you know, each was like 30 40 30 $35. You can't lose with that. You know, if it sucks, then you just give it to somebody who probably is gonna like it. I saw some, yeah, I still like this. hmm Once again, I think this could go all year round. I definitely think this could go be a year-round fragrance. Let's see what they say. Warm, sensual, delectable. It's the French expression of ooh la la in the bottle. Enjoy comforting, invigorating, spicy blend upon first sniff. Thanks to the top notes, it opens up and embraces the sultry side with the smoky incense, silky musk, and underlying violet notes at the heart. Let's call it captivating, addictive, and utterly intoxicating. I don't know about all that, but it is a sweet, warm, spicy scent, subtle vanilla hints with some musk. So nice musky vanilla is always fantastic, especially, you know, it makes you smell like somebody smells good. But you know, I know what you want to see. Yup, it's got one on it. It's got one of them sprayers on it, y'all. And you heard the clack. Another metallic cap. Contrary to what some people have said on here, I didn't find it too feminine. I found it right there in the middle, a nice unisex fragrance that's gonna get you noticed. You know, you're gonna walk by people and like, who is that? Somebody smells pretty fragrant today. So I would give that a solid 7 out of 10, maybe 6.5, 7 out of 10. I like it. I think it's pretty solid. It's worth getting your nose on. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. They did a, oh fuck, cut that out. So there's a truck riding by. We'll try this again. Come on, Mr. Truckman, you interrupted my video. Oh, be gone. Partnership with poop. Lab's most, ooh, that sounds like remedial right there. You know what to do with that section. This perfume is a co-creation of the museum. Jesus Christ, the night and morning star. What is going on? Oh, that's some good stuff right there. Yeah. Okay. So